They're coming. They're coming. There you go. Hey Tyler, how you doing? Woo! Oh, no. Oh my God! Woo! That was sketchy. Wait, do you have a setting for like oh my God. Oh my God. Police lights. You got him. The cop's gonna catch you. There's a police chase going on right now. Look at, oh. There goes the police. Ah!
Pull over! I'll pull over for you! How about this?
Police! No! You won't pull me over! Oh my God, I'm gonna die. Ah! Oh shit! Oh! Shit! That's my thumbnail. Shit! Oh! Where do I go? Off-road! Oh my God! It's thorns. That was funny though. Hey, check this out. Woo! Excuse me, officer. You have a twig. That's water. No. Do you like being a cop? Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh. Oh. My foot. My foot. Yeah, I went up and like it started turning and the hill just started pushing it hard and I was like, okay, put it down, and then it just turned hard.
Oh, you were doing the wobble thing?
I guess. I mean, it happened so quick, but immediately when it got to the point, I was like, I know I'm going down. Like, it turned hard. But like, I slammed on my right ankle trying to like jump off, and I think I landed crooked. Alright guys, we're going to go ahead and end it here. Planning on just kind of going and eating around and stuff like that. So, just going to break up after this. But we definitely had a lot of fun today. Another loop, my ankle hurts. That Harley rider probably thought he was really cool riding by fast. But anyways, we're gonna end it. Hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, check out some of our other videos. Walker is waving by. If you could see him, it's pretty dark, but he's waving. All right, my ankle hurts, seriously.